down here. I got one of these white noise machines. Alright, to help you sleep at night. Okay, because I have a hard time going to sleep at night. There's not some noise that I prefer. Okay, it's like you know, rain hitting the roof, waterfall, that type of noise, or fan noise. And I got like 3 or 4 fans. Like I got like, some nights I run like 2 or 3 fans just to try to go to sleep. I can't stand it quiet. I mean, just can't. I can't go to sleep. Even sometimes with this, sometimes I have a hard time going to sleep. But I decided to get this little box from Amazon. Never tried one before. It has 20 different sounds. This one right here is a waterfall. Okay. That's waves. I don't know if I'd like waves. That's a storm. I don't know. I'd have to try that out. That's rain. Yeah, that's rain right there. Dang it, I think I put the timer on. I hit the wrong button there. That's a fan. I hate that. Different kinds of fans. Birds. I don't think I'd like that one. Birds. Crickets. I don't know, maybe. And a fireplace. And a grandfather clock. And back to water. 20 sounds for $38. Yeah. $38 for 20 sounds. A noise box just to make noise so you can go to sleep at night. What a world, huh? You can go to YouTube. They got channels on YouTube 24/7. You can, they got like waterfalls, rain, YouTube channels. The deal why I went this route, okay, because on the YouTube, I gotta have my computer on, or I gotta have my TV on. It's on all night long. Plus, if the Wi-Fi goes down, sometimes it just goes down. I didn't want to get disconnected at night. Okay, with this, it just plugs into the wall and it's not hooked to the Wi-Fi. So I decided to try it out and go this way. A lot of times the fans, okay, the problem with the fans, what I found is, all fans make different kind of sounds. They all kind of have their quirky little sounds, like you get a fan that kind of rattles. I hate that. I don't like something that's rattling. It keeps me up. It's got to be like the same sound, consistent. Okay? I don't want to hear a fan rattling. The blades, the fan blades sometimes make a weird sound too. It's hard to get the right fan. It's rather, some of them are too noisy. The fan motors are too noisy. They make a humming sound. Gets on my nerves. Some of them don't. Now see this one right here, the waterfall. What bugs me about it, they got birds in it. I really don't prefer them. They don't have a selection on here to take the birds off. Why would I want a waterfall and have birds singing in the background? I don't get why they even put it in there. I don't know. Or at least put an option where you can take out the birds. Stupid bird singing that. So I might not like that. The waterfall is fine. I just don't like the birds in the back. Because, see, it disturbs the same sound that you want to hear. You don't want to hear a different sound that wakes you up, really. At least that's how I am. So I don't know. I'll give it a try. If I like it, I'll keep it. If not, I'll get something else. And I'll get a review on it down the road. But, yeah, so far, yeah, it looks like it's okay. Some of the sounds, like I said, the waterfall, I wish they would have not put the birds in it. But I'll find out. There you go, man. White noise machine, man. $37 just to have noise and go to sleep at night.